So motorcycle accidents are going to be different. First of all, the damages are typically going to be a lot worse, the injuries, because of everything that goes into a motorcycle as opposed to being in a car. No seat belts, nothing to protect you from the road. If a client has a motorcycle accident, the first steps they should take are going to be similar to if a person was in a car accident, especially because they're going to need that initial treatment, presumably if they were on a motorcycle. Gathering any evidence they can. In a motorcycle accident, things like what you were wearing at the time of the accident is going to be a lot more important necessarily than if you were in a car crash. Because in a motorcycle accident, and this goes to showing the jury I was doing everything I could to protect myself, even though I was on a motorcycle and I was wearing a helmet. I was wearing long sleeve leather clothing, things like that. So making sure you keep that clothing so that it can be shown to a jury.